Now, I would like to share with you on the most interesting part in our LE4000 4000 module, that is searching information through library website. So we will focus on the searching information online, right? So in order to search for the online services, so we need to go to the library website. Okay, again, go to iium.edu.my/division/library. Okay, if you are in campus, it's very easy for you because you can search our library website straight away because you are using our Wi-Fi, right? You are using our so the system recognize you as the IIUM members. Okay, but if you are outside, most of you now are out of campus. What you need to do is you need to log into our Easy Proxy first. Okay, so click Easy Proxy. Enter your library barcode. You remember your library barcode? Okay, just enter your library barcode. Okay, just enter your 6-digit PIN number. Click login. Okay, now you are already registered as our members. Okay, so I want to share with you in searching using EBSCO Discovery Services, our main services in the library. Okay, just click EDS or EBSCO Discovery Services. Okay, so we are now in EBSCO Discovery Services, or if you are using any PC in the IIUM, so you just can enter. This is the EBSCO Discovery Services. Just enter any keywords from here. Okay, so let's start search. Okay, just enter any keywords. I will use my searching topic, right? Online business, marketing using social media. So I just enter online business, online business. Okay, I just click search. Usually students just enter the keyword like that, right? Right. Okay, before this, I want to inform you, if you are using this IIUM EDS, the system will crawl 3 databases at a time, right? The system will crawl from our OPEC or our catalog, okay, our online databases, and also our IREP or IIUM repository. So it will take some time to retrieve a result because the all these databases is quite huge collections, right? Okay, so go back to our result. You see, when I enter the keyword like this, there are million results I got. Wow, it's very interesting, right? But do you want to uh, browse all these numbers? Okay, so remember what I share with you before this. Okay, so I identify that this online business is actually a term. So I just make a phrase search. So I just put the quotation mark, right? So sometimes the system already give you some suggestion. You just click search again. You will see when you change from the open keyword to the phrase search or specific keyword, so the system will give you another result. No? From here, before this, it was a million, right? So it now reduced to the 100. It's still a lot, right? So what you can do is you can go to the left side again, okay, and you can refine your keyword. Let's say, okay, you can limit on a specific date. You just drag down the publication date, okay. Okay, so every time when you update something on the refine, so the system will give another result. Again, just go again to the left side. Okay, you can also specific your search by sources type. By resources, for example, you want to limit to the academic journals, you want to search for books, right? So every time you just enter, you just click on the box, so the system will update. And you can also click on the specific subject, right? So even you can just click show more. Okay, you can choose any specific subject that related to your topic, right? And the result will be different, so you can more focus. Okay, for example, I just let it be there, right? So remember that Kak Wan said this EDS, the result will call from three databases, right? From OPEC, from online databases, and from IREP. Okay, from this result list, how can you identify which titles come from OPEC, which titles come from IREP, and which titles come from online databases? Okay, the key is from the database itself in the title. Okay, let's say you see the word database there, right? So this after the database is the IREP. So this title is come from the IREP database. Okay, the number two. Okay, the word database is the IIM library catalog. So this titles is actually come from our OPEC. If the titles is from our OPEC, so it already give you the call number. Okay, so you just click on the catalog and see the status of the book. Right, this is new in our ETS. Okay, if there is videos related to the topic, so the system will retrieve to you also the videos, right? So just click a video and they have the metadata inside. Okay, the last one, I want to find where is the title from the our online database. Okay, let's say here. Okay, where is the word database? Right, database. Okay, this title is come from IEEE. It's one of online databases subscribed by the library. Okay. Another thing I want to share with you is you can refine these titles, right? You can limit. Okay, for example, I want to look for the only full text. So let's click the full text, only full text. Right? So the system will update. Okay, from 300 million. So the result will reduce until 42,000. Alright. So let's take some samples for you. Okay, I want to show with you the titles from the database. Okay, just click any titles here. Right. So this is the record, right? Okay. What is important I want to share with you from this EDS is actually you can print this record, you can email, you can save, and you can cite. Remember, you need to cite the references, right? So here, if you click cite in the right side button, so you will find that the citation is already there. So just choose the APS style and copy and paste in your Microsoft Word. So you have to get ready with the Microsoft Word or something that you need to take note. Alright. So go back to the list. Okay. So we just look at the sample from okay, let's say again from the IEEE. Right. Sometimes you will find that the title is the title will give you the full text finder. Okay, just for this case, okay, you just click on the full text finder. Okay, just click any resources that the system gives to you. Okay, now you can get the PDF from the title. Just click the PDF file. Here is the full text. Okay, you can save and download the full text. Sometimes the PDF is already listed in the title. Okay, let's say this like number 7. So you just click direct the full text. Okay, so you will get the full text. Okay, you can download, you can print, and you can sign the paper. Right? So let's go back to the list. Okay, I want to share with you the titles from the our repository or IREP. Okay, let's take another sample from IREP. Okay, just click on the title. Okay, for IREP, usually there is a restriction because IREP is our repository and it involved in the intellectual copyright. So we cannot simply share the full text with the user. Okay, what you can do is from IREP, you need to click on the access URL provided. Okay, from here, the system will bring you direct to the IREP database. Okay, from here, you can go to official URL, click official URL, right? And you will find if the journal is open access, you can get the full text from the publisher website. Okay, you may download and save the full text. Alright. Okay, now I want to show you advanced search tip from this EDS. I know that some of you have familiar with advanced search tip, right? So it's easy for you to make your simple search from your topic, right? Okay, from here just click advanced search in the database, right? Right. Usually, when you click on the advanced search tips, the system will retrieve you another box, right? Okay, usually for this advanced search tip, I will show you on how to use our Boolean operators. I know that some of you already familiar with Boolean operators. We have three famous Boolean operators, and, or, and not, right? And is to combine your search keyword. Okay, and or is to broaden your keyword. Okay, you can combine your keyword and your synonym, and not to exclude your term. Okay, it means that if you want to exclude some terminology in your searching as a simple searching, right? For example, I want to combine online business and marketing. Alright. Marketing, okay, and social media. Remember social media, so you can make it as a phrase search. And again, in advanced search tip also, you can specify your search strategy by uh, putting some limitation. For example, you can also uh, put the date of publication. Okay, for example, I want the system to retrieve me a paper from 2010 to 2020. Okay, just click search. Right? from this combination using advanced search, right? So I just got only 16,000 result. It's better, right? Before this, I used the basic search. So I got 30,000 results. So using advanced search, it will reduce. Again, use the left side to refine your search. Okay, so I just want a limit to full text, right? Okay, so you can easily download and you can easily browse and uh, choose your information resources. Now let's use the second Boolean operators. Okay, so I change N to O, right? So for O we can use the alternative keyword or synonym. Okay, like online business, I want to search for also for the marketing, right? And again for social media. So let's again do the search. Okay, so for this one, the result will be broader because the system will search for the online business or any words related to e-marketing. Alright. The third the third Boolean operators function is not. Not, if you are using not, means that you want to exclude some of the keywords in your search tips. Okay, for example, social media. You want to exclude Facebook. I don't want to Facebook to include in my result. Okay, so you just click not, right? So you just click face. You just enter Facebook. Okay, this one you can use again marketing. Okay, so I want to search on online business and marketing, but I don't want the Facebook to be included in my result. Okay, again click search. Right. So the system will give you another result. So that is the way if we are using advanced search in EDS. Alright. Okay. Now, let's do another simple search. Remember in the beginning, if you are searching for any official name, you cannot enter the open keyword like this. Okay, but you need to make it as a phrase search. Okay, for example, you are looking for any materials related to International Islamic University Malaysia. Right? So, International Islamic University. If you just enter keyword like this, you click search, you see there are about 148,000 results on International Islamic University Malaysia. But remember, if you are searching for official name like IIUM, I recommend it to you to make it as a phrase search. So the system will recognize it as the IIUM as a name. Okay, just click search again. You see the result will be different because the system is now recognized this IIUM as a name, right? Okay, another thing is that you can use a abbreviation or the uh, specific name, right? Like IIUM, you can use also the his of abbreviation like IIUM, right? So you will get different result. Alright. Okay, now let's use advanced search to do some search on IIUM as a subject. Right? For example, you are doing research or you are looking for the information or about online learning in International Islamic University Malaysia. So, using advanced search, you can combine the search term. Like for example, I enter the International Islamic University Malaysia as an official name. Okay, I enter using Boolean operator and I enter online learning, or sometimes the system will suggest you some of the keywords. Okay, so just click search. Right? So you can get better result. And because the system will recognize you have entered a specific term uh, for your research topic. Then you can browse the title and click any title which you are interested in. Okay. Now, I would like to share with you online databases services provided by Darul Hikmah Library. In order to use our online databases, you need to enter the Easy Proxy, or if you are in campus, you just click on the online databases button provided from our Darul Hikmah Library website. Right. So, this is a list of single online databases subscribed by the library. Different with the EDS will crawl all online databases subscribed by the library. But for this part, I want to share with you on a particular online databases, right? So before you use the online databases, you need to go through to the subject matters, because these online databases usually they have their own subject matters. So let's say, for example, you are I4 students, you usually use Lexis as your database. If you are KOE, Indian students, and KICT students, you will preferably to use IEEE as your database. Okay, for social science, I recommended to you to use Emerald or ProQuest or Science Direct as your database. Okay, our databases is listed arranged alphabetically. So you just choose any database related to your method. Okay. For this video, I want to share you on Emerald. I just choose one of our social science database. Okay, go to Emerald. Okay, click on Emerald. This is the Emerald Insight database, right? So you know how to use advanced search. Okay, rather you use basic search, so click for the advanced search. Okay, remember, right? Using Emerald, if you are using an advanced search from Emerald, the system will not give you the AND or NOT or Boolean button, right? So Boolean operators. What you need to do is you need to click at row. So the system will retrieve you the Boolean operators button, right? Well, let's say I will use my keyword for the simple search. Okay, I enter online business and marketing, right? And social media, right? Then, using advanced search in Emerald, you can simply uh, strategize your search. Okay, for example, you can enter the date of your publications. Okay, you want to uh, ask the system to retrieve you to the publication from 2010 to 2020, or maybe 2021. Right? Okay. What is the important thing that I want to share with you? If you are using the database, some of the database are provide you this access type, right? Okay, if you click all contents, the database will retrieve you all titles available in the database. Okay, but if you click only open access, the database will retrieve you only open access uh, materials. It means that the materials is retrieved from the uh, open access publisher. But I recommended to you to click only content I have access to. It means that the system will retrieve you the materials which is open access and the titles that the library subscribe. Okay, then click search. Okay, so from the search tips I entered, I got 330 results. Okay, go to the right side so you can again choose your contents, the article materials type. Okay, for example, you are looking for the article, you are looking for the book part. Book part here is the book chapter or book chapter. Okay, so you can uh, choose any type that you are interested with. Okay, now you can easily get the PDF file from the database. Okay, let's say just click on the PDF. Here is your full text. You can download, you can print, right? So how can you get citation from the emerald? Okay, go back to the list. Okay, for emerald, if you want to cite, you need to click on the title. Okay, so here is the data for that particular title. The citation is available after the keyword. So this is the citation. So you just copy and paste in your Word, or you can note in your note. Okay, now let me introduce you the ebooks collections that is subscribed by the Darul Hikmah Library. Okay, to access the ebooks, you need to go to the library website and click for this button, right? This icon. If you are using Easy Proxy, just scroll down and click any subscribed ebook by the library. This is the list of the publishers, right? So we have a lot of ebooks collection, right? So this is the list of the publishers. You might be familiar with some of the publishers listed from the library website, like for ALA, Brill, Cambridge, um, Emerald, AENG, Nigel. Okay, so from this title, we already describe what is the contents of the ebook and some of the titles that the library subscribe. Okay, for the purpose of this exercise, I want to show you on the Springer link. Okay, I just take one of our largest ebooks collection. Okay, just click on Springer link from here, or from the Easy Proxy, you just click on Springer link. Right. So from here, you can enter any of the related keywords, right? But before that, I want to show you, you can search for the, if is there any ebooks related to your discipline. Okay, go to the left side. Okay, just choose your discipline. Okay, so just click see all. Right, so let's say I am economic students and I want to see either do the library have the books for economics. I just click here, right? Okay, so we from the list we got about 10,000 books on economics. But remember, not all of these titles subscribed by the library. The important thing what you should do is to untick this box. Okay, only 1,000 titles from the economics that is subscribed by the library. From the 10,000, only 100,000 books is subscribed by the library. Okay, now, you can enter and you just choose any ebooks, right? For example, I want to see for this book. Okay, I just click the title, right? So I can download the book. Okay, from the ebooks also you can download for the specific chapters, right? Just choose any chapters you are interested in and click the PDF file. Okay, you can print, you can print, download and print the uh, chapters you are interested with, right? Okay, do not, you cannot. Okay, in Springer, actually, we do not only subscribe for the books. Okay, there are some other contents that related that you can also retrieve from the Springer. Okay, what you can do is you just click on the selected contents. You see, from the left side, there's from the Springer. You can also get the articles. You can get the conference papers, and you can get the proceedings. Like for example, you are looking for the article, right? Okay, make sure you have already unticked this box, right? So you just choose any articles that you are interested with. Okay, you can download the PDF file. Right. Here you can download, you can print and save the articles for your reference. Right. Okay. If you want to cite, so just click on this site, this article, and you can get this citation. Right. The citation is available. Okay. Go back to the Springer. Okay. Here you can also search for your topic. Like go back to the logo. For example, I'm looking for the topic online business. Okay, just click search. Right. So here from the list again, untick this box. Right. So I can choose any topic related to the online business. Okay, let's say I want to look for this chapter. Right. So here again I can download the book and also I can download the chapter of the book. Yeah, I can download or print this book. In Springer, if you want to use the advanced search, you need to click for this button, right? Click for advanced search, okay, and enter your search term. Like for example, I'm using for the online business as an express, okay, and marketing, okay, and so just start the specific period 2010 to 2020, for example. Okay, remember to untick this box. Okay, then click search. So I got about 368 results on marketing and online business. Okay, I can so from that I can just choose any article I want to download. Okay.